Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Thins. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you how to fix JBL earbuds case not charging. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering how to exactly fix your JBL earbuds case here, just in case not charging. So first things first is you want to try a different cable or adapter here. Now sometimes the cable or adapter might be the issue, so use a different USB cable or power adapter that you know actually works to see if the case starts actually charging. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to check and clean the charging ports here. Now, make sure that the charging ports on the case, if there's any dust or bin, gently clean it using a soft dry brush and make sure it's not damaged as well. Now, also, you may want to check the spring pins inside the actual case, so inside of it. So, in this case, you want to go ahead and check inside. So inside the case here, there are little spring-loaded pins that touch the earbuds. So press on them gently to make sure they're not stuck or can move up and down freely. Now also, you may want to clean the contact points here. So take the earbuds out of the case. Use a cotton swab here with a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean the metal contacts inside and the case and on the metal earbuds. On the earbuds here. Now let them dry until fully before putting them back in. And again, make sure they're fully dry before using them or putting back them in. But once you've done that, you want to go ahead and just charge it fully. Now, in this case, plug the case into a working charger and leave it connected for at least like 2 hours to see if it holds actual charge. But yeah, if none of this actually work, it means that your JBL earbuds case here might be broken or there's some hardware issues here. So it's a great idea to contact JBL support or it's time to buy a new one. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.